Friends, Miss McSherry here on this Monday, and today I'm really excited that I'm going to show you how to access Canvas, which is our new online platform, which we'll be using in replacing Google Classroom. So, follow along with these steps, and I will show you how to get into Canvas. It's actually super easy, and I think you guys will really like it once we get the hang of it. So, right up here, I want your, like when you open your internet, right, you go in Google. Either in this search bar here, up at the top, you're going to search CMS homepage, click search. It's the very top one. It says Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools. You click on that. And this is the CMS homepage. Okay? So you scroll right here. There's this bar with all these little icons. You're going to click the one called Students, right? Because you are a student. And this might be familiar to you also because we did this to do iStation. So you click on the student, and then you can scroll down here. And this is like your student portal here, and all these different links that you can click to access different things. The one we are going to access is called Canvas. So it's got the red wheel, and it says Canvas right here. So you click on it again. I've already logged in. Try again. So yours will come up like this. The first time you do it, you'll need to log in. But then, like you saw mine do, once you've been logged in a couple times, it could save it for you. And then it'll take you straight there every time when you click it. But for the first time, I'm going to practice logging in. You just need your student ID number. So again, I'm going to use a practice one. You use your ID number. And then everyone's password is the same. It is CMSX, capital C, MSX 2029. It's your regular password. And if this option comes up, that would be great for you. Go ahead and click Update Password. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to save this one because this is a student login, but you can absolutely click that and save your password there. So then here I am at my NC Cloud portal. All right, I have all my little icons here. This one will be familiar because that's where we did iStation. But for right now, the only one you need to worry about and click on is this one called Canvas. Again, you see the red wheel and the word Canvas. So that is what we are going to use. When you log into Canvas, it'll take you right here, and this is called your dashboard. All right, so this is where you'll see all of your classes located. So you notice, right, yep, reading, and you have math. So for my video, I will show you reading. Miss Flint has a video and she'll show you how to access math, but they're very, very similar, so it should be no problem. Let me go into my reading classroom. All right, and so then here we have the home page. Right, the home page has all these little buttons that you can click, and they will take you to other pages. So if you see right here, you have the phone and it says contact me. That you can click that button if you need help, and then that has my phone number and my email. So if you needed to reach out to me and needed more help with something, just click this and then it'll pull up my number for you and you can call it, right? Or text me or FaceTime me, whatever you like. Then if you look down, next underneath is the purple button. It says need more help, and then that would be help in Spanish. So if you click that button, it will direct you to Miss Sourwine's contact information. Again, if you need help, but you need someone who can speak in Spanish to help you, you can give her a call, text her, and she'll be also more than happy to help you figure out any issues that you're having. These two buttons will be coming soon. Our Charlotte's Web bedtime stories, and then special areas. You'll have your specials teachers will have activities for you. If you click here, it'll take you to specials activities. And then if you click here, you can access our Charlotte's Web bedtime stories as well. So the main one that you're going to need every single day is this one called assignments. When you click this green button, assignments, it'll take you here. And this is where you'll find all of your assignments, right, forever, every day. So each week, you'll see the week right up at the top, and then underneath of that week, each day will have the activities. So today is Monday, so you have Monday's activities, then tomorrow you'll have Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, except for not this week because spring break. but you just find today's date and you will click on that page, and that will take you to the page with all of today's tasks. So hopefully you've followed me along, gotten this far. There's going to be another video right here for you to click on once you get here. But I'll save that for a second video. So to recap, how to get to Canvas is you go to the CMS homepage, you click Student, and it takes you to the student portal. You click Canvas, and it'll take you to your NC Ed Cloud, and you click Canvas here, and it takes you to your dashboard. You click whichever assignment that or class you want to work on first. Right. First, we click Reading. On your home page, you click Assignments, find the date, today's date, whatever that day is, click that link, and then this tells you everything that you need for the day. Again, there'll be more videos here that you'll need to click and watch, activities that you need to work on. Over here, you'll see all of your tasks. And right here, it tells you the objective of what you need to be doing today, and then the overview, just a list of all the things that are happening today. And again, if you do one class, you don't have to start back over and log back in. Right over here where we have the dashboard, I click out of that, I finish my reading, I go back to my dashboard, and then I will click Math. Okay, and you'll go through the same steps over here on Math. All right, so I'm super excited for you guys, and I can't wait for you guys to get going with our Canvas pages. So remember, follow these steps, and I'll see you back in our reading assignment in just a minute. Bye.